My name is Alex from Materiality Master, and in this video I will show you 7 reasons why the Materiality Master is a great choice. First of all, the Materiality Master is super user-friendly. What you can see here is the dashboard view, and if you create and enter an assessment, you are really guided step by step through it. So you have the introduction, the stakeholders, IRO analysis, and the matrix. There's nothing you can miss. Really easy, and for everything that is needed you have explanations. So if you, for example, add a stakeholder and you are not really sure what interest is required, is asking from you, you can simply click here, mouse over on the information tab, and you get some additional information on what is needed. So super user friendly. Second, AI features. So if you create here your IRO, do your IRO analysis, and for example, let's create a new IRO, create an empty IRO here. You can say I have, in this case, a financial materiality. You see a little star here, the AI assistant. Wherever you see the little stars, the artificial intelligence supports you in defining IROs, in writing justifications for the ratings that you gave this IRO, but also for the stakeholders to help you with the description and the justification for the stakeholders. So simply click on it. You get a proposal here. You can adjust it. You can shorten it. You can simply click on apply, and it automatically takes it. Number 3, access rights. Within the Materiality Master, you can decide on a company level, but also on an assessment level, who should have access rights. And if you, let's quickly save here. If you want to grant access rights on an assessment level, you have even the option to go down on the lowest level. So you can say, I want to give access rights on an IRO level. So only for this IRO, I can now invite someone to have the added rights for this specific IRO. Or you can say, actually, you know what, I want to invite my HR team and they should have access to the whole S1 topics and IROs within this topic. You can also do that. So really specific access rights that is quite powerful and very useful. Third, auditability. We have a full audit trail in here. So if you click on the settings and then come here to the audit trail, you see here which person made which changes and which point of time. You can basically collapse them and enhance them. So if you see here, there was a new IRO created in the E1, and it's called direct impact drivers of biodiversity loss. I can now click on it and see actually what is this IRO. So it's directly connected, but you can anytime go back here to the audit trail and see who has made which changes. Number 5, languages. Every user can decide on which language they would like to see and in which language they would like to use the software solution. Simply come to the avatar at the top right, click on it, click on your profile, and you can change here between 4 languages. At the moment, we are constantly working on adding more languages, and if you have a language in mind that you would like to add, don't hesitate to contact us. It's really simple and quick for us to add more languages here. Number 6, updates. If you are using, for example, an Excel template, and there will be updates in the regulation or in the template itself, you will need to copy the data from template A to template B, the new version. In the Materiality Master, all the updates are done automatically. So we are not having different versions here of the Materiality Master, but all the updates will be given to the version that you are using, making sure that it's always compatible to what you already have done. And so you don't need to worry at all about changing regulations or about any other updates. And last but not least, data points mapping. Our Materiality Master, the software solution to conduct the double materiality assessment, doesn't stop with the materiality matrix, where most software solutions are stopping if they're not having the whole report included. However, we go a step further, because it doesn't help you a lot if you know what are the topics that you need to report on, but more importantly is that you know what are the data points, the underlying data points that need to be in my report in the end. And we have created a automated data points mapping. So you can simply click here, start a new mapping. You enter some more information about your organization, like the size, the language that you want to have the mapping in, and then you see here how many topics you have from an impact perspective or from a financial perspective as material, and how many topics are not material. This is automatically taken from your assessment. You can generate the mapping, and you will see in the first overview how many data points you need to report. If you go a step further, you can download the mapping and get a whole list of all the ESRS data points that should end up in your report to be CSRD compliant. So these are the 7 reasons why Materiality Master is one of the best solutions to conduct your straightforward and really hands-on materiality assessment, but at the same time save a lot of time with a really structured approach, an audit-proven approach, and the AI capabilities is extremely valuable as well. If you have any other questions, do not hesitate to contact us. We are always here to answer your questions and help you.